everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you my January 2017 sticker. January 2018. Well, that sounds kind of weird to say, but today I'm going to be sharing with you my January 2018 planner sticker kits. I'm really excited about them because I love them all. And yes, let's just jump right in. It is my monthly spread. I just thought I'd share with you how it looks before I actually jump into the kits, but yes. For the first week in January, I plan to use this kit from Student Planning. It is called Happy New Year, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's 1, 2, 3, it's a 6-page kit, and the pages are also functional for me. So I actually only purchased the functional deco, the half boxes and the full boxes, but Brianna was so nice and sent along the entire kit. So thank you so much. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, that should be good. It comes with 9 gorgeous full boxes. I love this one. Actually, I like them all. Honestly, they're so gorgeous. And some checklists down at the bottom. Headers, little things, and icons. I love the icons over there. Ombre heart checklists and appointment labels. Half boxes, quarter boxes, work schedule stickers, chevrons, scallops, and mini appointment labels. Bottom washi, date covers, and scripts, along with the weekend banner. I love the script look of the weekend banner. And lastly, we have your functional deco, which has your glitter headers, glitter flags, sidebar stuff, and deco. So Student Planning has recently reformatted her kits, so they no longer look like this, but I absolutely love this format. Yes, I think it's so gorgeous. So yeah, I cannot wait to use this kit for the first week of the year because obviously it's New Year's Day on the 1st, which is the Monday. So yes, I'm really excited to use this kit for this particular week. So this is Student Planning. Happy New Year. For the second week in January, I plan to use this kit here from Little Miss Papery called Planner Girl. Well, I'm actually not too sure the technical name for it, but, well, the real name I should say for it. I just call it Planner Girl because that's what this quote box says. But I actually purchased this on a Facebook Marketplace group, like one of the Erin Condren Planner Marketplace. And yeah, this was an a la carte. I just bought the whole kit. First, I got the headers, to do today, little list, and then some sidebar and etc. ones. Well, this is page 1 of the base kit. This is a base kit right here. So there are 8 checklists, 4 half boxes, a ton of icons, a ton of scripts, stuff like that. A lot of functional stuff on here for me. Your weekend banner, washi strips, headers, sidebar stuff, and the labels. So that is the base kit. I then got the full boxes, and there are 3 quote boxes on here. This one says, "She has fire. She has fire in her soul and grace in her heart. Being happy never goes out of style. And don't let anyone dull your sparkle." And these ones are just solid right there. Next, we have the ombre heart checklist. And I like how her checklists are. They go from dark to light and back to dark. I really like that. And she has 2 quarter boxes at the bottom, as well as on this sheet as well. I like how she utilizes her space. And also on every sticker sheet, LMP is a sticker, which I thought is really creative, so I like that. And then we have a whole sheet of labels, not labels, little things, but her little things are a lot larger than normal little things, so I like them. I feel like I can use them for quarter boxes and stuff. So I plan to use this kit because I go back to school on the 9th of January, so I thought this would be the perfect back to school kit. Yeah, I thought it was really nice, and it matches the blue of the Erin Condren. And even though I have the neutral planner, I'm still going to be matching the spreads to the colors up there most of the time, unless I have a special event that I really want to use a kit for. The colors are still going to be matching. So if you enjoyed my colorful spreads, because I match the colors, you will still enjoy these because I'm still going to be doing the same thing. So yes, this is Little Miss Papery Planner Girl. For the third week in January, I plan to use this kit here called, well, I'm actually not too sure the name of the kit. It's not in the shop anymore, but it's from the Planning Queen, and I won this in a giveaway from my planner buddy Jasmine. Let me zoom in a bit. Right. Okay, so these are the full boxes. I love this double box. There are 2 quarter boxes, a weekend banner, and some icons. Ombre heart checklist with a background in the, no, with a pattern in the background. That's really unique. And some miscellaneous stuff on the side. Half boxes, date covers, and labels. Headers, headers, the whole things. Sidebar stuff, icons, and more functional stuff. Checklist, date dots, labels, icons, scripts. Bottom washi and washi strips. And then your beautiful deco. This is so gorgeous. I'm not too sure why I decided to use this kit for this particular week, but I mean the colors match, so that's probably why. But this kit is probably the one that is most subject to change. I don't know, but yeah, like I said, I don't know why I plan to use it, but the colors match, so I might as well. And yes, I cannot wait to use this kit as well. It's really pretty, and this is the first time I'm using a kit from the Planning Queen. Like I said, I won it in a giveaway, so I'm excited to try out this new format. For the last full week in January, I plan to use this kit here from Cricut Paper Co. called Olivia. It's a mini kit, and I purchased this during her Black Friday sale, so that's pretty exciting. I first got the glitter headers. Really pretty colors. This is vinyl paper, by the way. Yeah. I got the glitter headers. There's orangish peach, 2 shades of blue, and a bright green. So I'm possibly going to be using these 3 right here. This is a mini kit, so the first page comes with scripts. Okay. Right. So the first page comes with some scripts, some flags, some checklists, icons, labels, weekend banners, sidebar stuff, all that functional stuff. And the second page comes with 7 half boxes and 7 full boxes. So it kind of annoys me that there aren't 8 full boxes, like 1 for every day of the week, including the sidebar. But I mean, I make it work all the time, so this is no different. But yes, I actually cannot wait to use this kit. The colors are so bright and fun. So yes, I'm really excited about this one as well. Again, not too sure why I chose to use it. The colors just match, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so that is it for all of my January 2018 sticker kits. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so excited about all these kits because they're absolutely gorgeous. So if you're interested in seeing plan with me videos on any of them, definitely subscribe to my channel because they're coming hopefully every single week. Okay, that is it. I hope you have an amazing day or night, afternoon, whatever time of the day it is where you are, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.